Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. You're welcome to Decent Stitch. If you're a new subscriber or returning subscriber, you're welcome. Please, this black fabric is 2.5 yards and I folded it into 4. After folding into 4, I went ahead to mark the length that I need. So I'm going to be using a 1-inch horsehair. I'm going to be using a 1-inch horsehair. This is what I have. I'm going to be using 2.5 inches to cut the fabric, and I'm going to need 2 pieces for each sleeve. So I have 4 of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 of this. I'm going to be cutting it out. So I'm going to take 2 pieces of the fabric and I'm going to join them. I'm going to turn them right sides facing each other. Then I'm going to join them on one side by 0.5 inch. I'll do the same for the second set. So I'll take 2 again and then I'm going to sew them on the edge 0.5 inch. After sewing it, I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Then the part of the fabric that I want to serve as the lining, I'm going to place my crinoline on the edge. That edge that I've sewn, I'm going to place my crinoline on it this way. Then I'm going to sew my crinoline on the edge here and also on the edge here. So this is going to serve as the fabric for the lining. Then I'll go ahead and sew the side also. I'll bring it together and sew the side. Then after that, I'll flip it over and give it a good press. I'll iron it properly. I've gone ahead to prepare my sleeve. I already have a video on how to cut a sleeve, so please check it out if you don't know how to cut a sleeve. So I've prepared my sleeve. So underneath the sleeve, in between the sleeve and the lining, I'm going to be putting my fusible web in between. I'll just cut it and place it in between inside, then press it. So that is going to help me to hold the fabric and the lining together, so that when I'm sewing, it won't be moving about. I'm going to place it this way inside. I'll place it inside about 4 of this, then I'll place it over it this way and press it. I'll do that for both sleeves. Then for my straps, I've gone ahead to iron it. So this is the back where I have my crinoline or horsehair, and this is the front. So the same thing I did for the sleeve, I've gone ahead to do it for this. So I opened the 2 fabrics, I opened them, then I placed this in between. You can see a trace of it here. So I've placed it in between and I've gone ahead to press it. So that helps me to hold it in place. From ear to ear, I'm going to measure the midpoint. So I have 22 there, which is 11. Then from the top, from the crown of the sleeve, I'm going to measure 6 inches. From the crown to this line, I'll measure 6 inches. So that will be my midpoint. Then from the midpoint, I'm going to draw circle about 1 inch with 1 inch space. So from the center, I'm going to mark about half an inch. I'm going to make a curve about half an inch curve. So that is how my circle is going to be, my curve is going to be. Then I'm going to take this and start from the midpoint. So I'm going to be making pleats. As I sew, I'll be making pleats. As I go round, I'm going to be making pleats this way. I'll be making pleats so that I can go round, so that I can go round. I can leave it this way, or at the center, I can make a small rose and put there, or I can put pearls. I can put some pearls at the center. I can also leave it like this. It's not showing. It's not showing. This is the first strand of the center, so I can use it to cover up. It's not showing. This is the sleeve. So I'll go ahead and sew here. I'll go ahead, turn it this way, sew my side, and then fix it into my blouse. I'll go ahead and make the second one.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.